Hello student, welcome to the next lecture. In the previous lecture we have studied complex integration and we see the theorem Cauchy integral theorem or Cauchy-Grosset theorem and some examples on it. Now here we see the Cauchy integral formula Cauchy's integral formula statement. If f of z is analytic within and on a simple closed curve C and z0 is any point, any interior point or point to C, then integration over closed curve C f of z upon z minus z0 dz is equal to 2 pi I f of z0. F of z is analytic within and on simple closed curve C and z0 is interior point to C, then integration over closed curve C f of z upon z minus z0 dz is equal to 2 pi I f of z0. Here f of z is analytic everywhere in C and f of z upon z minus z0 is analytic everywhere within and on C except the point at z0. z0 પાસે analytic નથી બાકી analytic everywhere in C. Now draw a circle C1, center at z0, radius rho, inside entirely inside C. Thus, by Cauchy theorem, integration over closed curve C f of z upon z minus z0 dz is equal to integration over closed curve C1 f of z upon z minus z0 dz એને આપણે equation number 1 આપી દઈએ. Now the equation of circle C1 is mod z minus z0 is equal to rho or z minus z0 is equal to rho into e raised to I theta. Now derivative of this dz is equal to I into rho e raised to I theta into d theta. Now integration of closed curve C1 f of z upon z minus z0 dz is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi f of z0 plus rho into e raised to I theta. z ની વેલ્યુ આપણે પુટ કરી z ની વેલ્યુ પુટ કરી આપણે તો કે z0 આપવા જાવ તો z0 plus rho e raised to I theta upon z minus z0 ની વેલ્યુ z minus z0 ની વેલ્યુ rho into e raised to I theta into dz ની વેલ્યુ I into rho into e raised to I theta into d theta. અહીંયા rho e raised to I theta બંને ઉપર નીચે છે એટલે કેન્સલ થઈ જશે. I constant બહાર આવશે. Integration 0 to 2 pi f of z0 plus rho into e raised to I theta into d theta. હવે જે આ વેલ્યુ મળી આપણે મળી વેલ્યુ મળી integration over closed curve C1 f of z upon z minus z0 dz આ વેલ્યુ મળી આપણને I into integration 0 to 2 pi f of z0 plus rho into e raised to I theta into d theta એની વેલ્યુ આપણે ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1 માં પુટ કરીએ. આની વેલ્યુ પુટ કરી દઈએ આપણે તો આપણે મળે integration over closed curve C f of z upon z minus z0 dz is equal to this is equal to from equation 1 we can write I into integration or closed curve integration 0 to 2 pi f of z0 plus rho into e raised to I theta into d theta and આપણે equation number 2 કહી દઈએ. Now rho tends to 0 in equation number 2. Equation takes the form 0 થઈ તો I into integration 0 to 2 pi f of z0 into d theta. અહીંયા આપણે ક્લોઝ લખવાની જરૂર નથી કારણ કે integration 0 to 2 pi ક્લોઝ હતું હોય છે is equal to I into f of z constant integration 0 to 2 pi 1 into d theta 1 into d theta is equal to integration કરીએ 1 નું theta limit 0 to 2 pi so 2 pi minus 0 so I into 2 pi I f of z0 this is required Cauchy integral formula this is integration over close Cauchy f of z upon z minus z0 dz is equal to 2 pi I f of z0 this is or f of z0 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integration over close Cauchy f of z upon z minus z0 into dz. This is required Cauchy integral formula. Now we see the general form of Cauchy integral formula. Nth derivative of f z0 nth derivative of f at z0 is equal to n factorial upon 2 pi I integration over close Cauchy f of z upon z minus z0 raised to n plus 1 into dz. Now let me see the example on the Cauchy integral formula. Integration over closed curve C e raised to minus z upon z plus 1 dz where C is circle mod z is equal to 2 and mod z is equal to 1 by 2. So here integration over closed Cauchy e raised to minus z upon z plus 1 integrand has singularity at z is equal to minus 1. તો કઈ રીતના સિંગ્યુલારિટી મળે કે z plus 1 is equal to આપણે 0 પુટ કરીએ આપણે તો z is equal to minus 1 મળે. So z is equal to minus 1 પાછી આપણે સિંગ્યુલારિટી જોવાની છે તો z0 આપણને જે મળે છે એ મળે આપણે minus 1. હવે જે z0 જે છે z0 is equal to minus 1 જો આ સર્કલ આપણે આપેલું છે એને ઇનસાઇડ હોય તો આપણે ભાઈ Cauchy integral formula યુઝ કરશું તો z is equal to minus 2 અને આપણે અહીં આપણે છે mod z is equal to 2 mod z is equal to 2 છે તો mod z ની વેલ્યુ minus 1 પુટ કરીએ તો is equal to 1 is less than 2 so z is equal to minus 1 lies inside the circle mod z is equal to 2 so by Cauchy integral formula integration or closed curve mod z is equal to 2 f of z upon z minus z0 so z minus of minus 1 into dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of z0 z0 value minus 1 but here given function f of z is equal to e raised to minus z so f of minus 1 is equal to e raised to minus of minus 1 so minus minus plus e raised to 1 is equal to e. So f of minus 1 is equal to e. So 2 pi I into e complete the example. So integration over closed curve mod z is equal to 2 f of z upon z plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I e. Mod z is equal to 1 by 2. The point z0 z is equal to minus 1 implies mod z. mod z ની વેલ્યુ મૂકી આપે mod z is equal to mod minus 1. Minus 1 ની modulus value 1 is greater than 1 by 2. So z is equal to minus 1 lies outside this circle. So mod z is equal to 1 by 2 માટે outside હોય તો એનું integration કેવું થશે તો 0 થશે. Now the next example, evaluate integration over closed curve C z square plus 1 upon z square minus 1 dz if C is the circle of unit radius with center at z is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1. તો અહીંયા આપણે બે સર્કલ આપેલા છે એનું સેન્ટર એકનું -1,0 છે અને એકનું 1,0 છે અને ફંક્શન આપણે ઇન્ટિગ્રાલ આપેલો છે આપણે જેનું આપણે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવું છે એ આપણે આપેલું છે z² + 1 upon z² - 1. તો આપણે આપેલું છે ઇન્ટિગ્રાલ જેનું આપણે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવા છે તો z² + 1 upon z² - 1 dz is equal to integration over closed curve C z² + 1 upon z - 1 into z + 1. તો આપણે C1 સર્કલ લઈએ તો -1,0 તો જે ફંક્શન આપણે આપેલું છે એ z is equal to -1 પાસે z is equal to -1 પાસે એનાલિટિક થતું નથી બાકી એનાલિટિક એવરીવેર. અહીંયા આપણે યુઝ કરેલું છે સર્કલ 2 નો ઉપયોગ કરેલો છે તો આપણે 1 જે પોઈન્ટ છે z is equal to 0 મૂકીએ તો આપણે z ની વેલ્યુ શું મળે આપણે 1 મળે z ની વેલ્યુ 1 આ સર્કલમાં આવેલું છે 1. So f of z upon z minus 1 into dz. So f of z is equal to z² plus 1 upon z plus 1 by Cauchy integral formula use કરીએ તો f of 1 2 pi I into f of 1. f of 1 ની value f of 1 is equal to 1. So 2 pi I. Similarly z આપણે ફંક્શન લઈએ phi of z is equal to z² plus 1 upon z minus 1. અહીંયા જે આપણે z0 ની વેલ્યુ મળે છે આપણે -1. અહીંયા આપણે મળી વેલ્યુ z0 is equal to -1. -1 જે છે એ -1 આ સર્કલમાં આવે છે અહીંયા -1. So -1 is inside the curve. So using by Cauchy integral formula 2 pi I into phi of z0 ની value -1. So phi of -1 is equal to -1. So -2 pi I. Now similarly આપણને ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવાનું છે z² into sin z upon z minus pi cube dz and circle આપેલ છે mod z is equal to 2 pi. 2 pi રેડિયસ નું સર્કલ હોય તો કઈ રીતના થાય तो अहीं આપણે પાઈ લઈએ તો અહીંયા 2 પાઈ આવે and center at 0,0 तो અહીંયા આપણે સિંગ્યુલારિટી ક્યાં આપેલી છે z is equal to pi so z0 ની વેલ્યુ pi z0 is inside the z0 is equal to pi inside the curve so the cos integral formula z is equal to pi belongs to c belongs to circle the derivative of z square sin z exists and z minus pi raised to 3 in general form of Cauchy integral formula z minus z0 raised to n plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to 3 આપેલા છે આપણે તો n ની વેલ્યુ શું મળશે આપણે 2 z minus pi cube is equal to 0 so z is equal to pi pi આપણે અહીંયા સર્કલ ની ઇનસાઇડ આવે છે એટલે આપણે Cauchy integral ફોર્મ્યુલા નો યુઝ કરી શકશું બરાબર અને અહીંયા આપણે n ની વેલ્યુ ગ્રેટર ધેન 1 હોય તો આપણે જનરલ ફોર્મ યુઝ કરવું પડે તો n ની વેલ્યુ મેળવવી હોય તો અહીંયા આપણે z minus z0 is equal to n plus 1 હોય તો n plus 1 is equal to 3 આપણે આપેલા છે તો n is equal to 2 અને જે આપણે ટૂંકમાં cos integral ફોર્મ્યુલા છે એમાં z square into sin z નું ડેરિવેટિવ આપણે મેળવી શકીએ so integration over closed curve z square sin z upon z minus pi cube into dz is equal to 2 pi I upon n factorial into sin into second derivative of f at z0 second derivative of f at z0 so n ની value 2 and z0 is equal to pi f of z is equal to z square into sin z first derivative of z 2z into sin z plus z square into cos z second derivative 2 constant z નું derivative 1 sin z plus 2z એમનામ sin નું cos plus z square નું 2z cos z એમનામ minus z square into cos z નું minus sin z હવે આનું સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન કરીએ તો આપણે મળે sin z into 2 minus z square plus 4z into cos z હવે એની વેલ્યુ આપણે ઇક્વેશનમાં પુટ કરી દઈએ અહીંયા તો આપણે 2 pi I upon 2 factorial 2 pi I upon 2 factorial into sin z z ની વેલ્યુ pi into 2 minus z square સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન જોઈએ આપણે પહેલા 2 sin z plus 2z cos z 2z cos z એટલે 4 અને આપણે બની ગયા 4z cos z minus z square into sin z so sin z common લઈએ તો 2 minus z square so sin f of pi ની વેલ્યુ પુટ કરીએ આપણે તો sin pi into 2 minus pi square minus pi square plus 4 pi into cos pi તો અહીંયા આપણે મળ્યું 2 minus pi square into sin pi plus 4 pi into cos pi. Sin pi ની વેલ્યુ 0 into this એટલે 0 ના મલ્ટીપલ માં આવશે એટલે 0 થઈ જશે પ્લસ 4 pi cos pi ની વેલ્યુ -1. સો અહીંયા આપણે મળશે 0 પ્લસ -4 pi. હવે 2 cancel, pi 2 factorial is equal to 2, so 2 cancel, pi into I is equal to pi into I into -4 pi. So -4 into pi square into I. So this is answer. Now similarly evaluate integration of cos c dz upon z square plus 9, where c is z minus 3i is equal to 4, z plus mod z plus 3i is equal to 2, mod z is equal to 5. તો અહીંયા આપણે z square plus 9 is equal to 0 પુટ કરીએ આપણે તો આપણે મળે z ની વેલ્યુ પ્લસ ઓર માઇનસ 3 iota. પહેલા ક્વેશ્ચન લખી નાખો. इंटीग्रल આપેલો છે f of z is equal to 1 upon z square plus 9 has two singular point at z is equal to plus or minus 3 iota. Z minus 3i is equal to 4 માટે the singular point z is equal to 3i lies inside C1 and the singular point z is equal to minus 3i lies outside of Ci. So by Cauchy integral formula, I1 is equal to cos C1 dz upon z square plus 9 is equal to integration of cos C1 dz upon 3 plus z plus 3i into z minus 3i z is equal to 3i માટે ફંક્શન આપણે મળશે f of z is equal to 1 upon z plus 3i and z0 is equal to 3i. So 2 pi I into f of z0 value 3i. So 1 upon 3i plus 3i is equal to 6i. 2 pi I upon 6i, I cancel, 2 this is equal to 3 pi by 3 and mod z plus 3i is equal to 2. The singular point z is equal to minus 3i lies inside C1 and the singular point z is equal to 3i is outside of C1. So by Cauchy integral formula, integration of cos C1 dz upon z square plus 9 is equal to integration of cos C1 dz upon z plus 3i into z minus 3i. So function is 1 upon z minus 3i and z0 is equal to minus 3i. So integration of cos C1 f of z into dz upon z plus 3i. So 2 pi I into by Cauchy integral formula, 2 pi I into f of z0 is equal to minus 3i. So value 1 upon minus 3i minus 3i is equal to minus 6i. 2 pi I upon minus 6i. So I is equal to minus pi by 3. Mod z is equal to 5. The singular point z is equal to 0 lies outside of C1. By Cauchy integral formula, I3 is equal to integration over closed cos C1 dz upon z square plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we will let the function in we will let the integration close cos C dz upon z square plus 1 where C is equal to आपने mod z plus I is equal to 1 counterclockwise. So the integral f of z is equal to dz upon z square plus 1 has two singularities. Z is equal to plus or minus iota. So z is equal to iota. Iota in value put करेले 2i is equal to 2 is greater than 1. So outside and z is equal to minus iota minus I plus I is equal to 0. 0 is less than 1. So inside, so z is equal to 0 is f of z is analytic function within and on C and z0 is equal to minus iota. So integration of close cos C f of z upon z plus iota dz is equal to by Cauchy integral formula 2 pi I into f of z0. Z0 value minus 1. So 2 pi I into 1 upon function is z minus iota. So z ની વેલ્યુ મૂકી દઈએ આપણે minus iota. So 1 upon minus iota minus 2 iota. So minus 2 iota 2 cancel, iota cancel. So value minus pi. Complete the proof. Complete the example. Now evaluate e raised to z upon z square plus 1 into dz over the circle mod z is equal to 2. Both the point minus 1 minus iota and plus iota inside the circle lies inside within and on C. So f of z is equal to e raised to z is function analytic function. So 1 upon 1 upon z square plus 1 ને આપણે લખી શકાય 1 upon minus 2i into 1 upon f z plus 1 minus 1 upon z minus I into e raised to z. So function is integration of close cos C e raised to z upon z square plus 1 into dz is equal to minus 1 upon 2i into integration of close cos C e raised to z upon z plus iota minus e raised to z upon z minus iota into dz. So is equal to minus 1 upon 2i into 2 pi I into f of minus iota. આના માટે minus iota as z0 બનશે અને minus 2 pi I into e raised to function e raised to z and z0 is equal to iota. So f of iota. So 2 pi I common બંને માંથી common લઈએ 2 pi I common લઈએ અને નીચે 2i છે. So 2 cancel and iota cancel થઈ જશે. Pi into e raised to iota minus e raised to minus iota. So this is equal to sin hyperbolic iota 2 pi into sin hyperbolic iota and sin hyperbolic iota is equal to I into sin z. So 2 pi I into sin z. This is complete the proof. Thank you for my ऑनलाइन मैथमेटिक्स क्लास